Okay, so a very, very, very good evening to all of you and a warm welcome. I'm truly, truly thrilled to see you all here. Okay, so as
Same.
we are under one roof to discuss a very beautiful and very, very trendy topic today, and I'm looking forward to hearing your beautiful thoughts. And but before we dive in this realm of manifestation, let's just have a quick and short round of introduction. Okay, so let me take the privilege or honor and introduce myself. So, I'm Neha Rana, a proud homemaker and an enthusiastic online English instructor. I find immense joy in both learning and sharing my knowledge. I'm a very simple woman, kind at heart, and a woman who is growing through whatever she's going through. That's what I want to say. And that's all about me. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. So, yes, Yashoda, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Of course. First of all, thanks for giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself before all wonderful and sagacious ladies. So, as you already know, my name is Yashoda and I'm from Koshambi district, Uttar Pradesh. And I'm a just like you, simple homemaker and part-time YouTuber. That's all about me.
Okay, Karishma.
Yeah, first of all, thank you so much for this opportunity. It is the very first time that I'm being a part of any group. I have never spoken in any group before this. My name is Karishma. I am learning English. I have a YouTube channel, you already know. So I'm just trying to learn more and I want to master this language as soon as possible. Yeah, that's all.
Okay, nice. Yes, Pooja.
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to be here in front of everyone. You know, every day I watch your videos, Sunita ma'am, Karishma ma'am, Neha ma'am, and today to be here, it's really a huge privilege for me. So let me start with my introduction. My name is Pooja Rathore. I'm a spoken English trainer at Ocean English Academy. I'm a certified trainer of IELTS and TESOL. And also, I would like to say that I've got recently married.
Oh,
So, yeah, I'm
Congrats.
also a homemaker as well as, yeah.
very nice.
Great.
I
Great.
I want to improve my English, and I'm really looking forward to having this conversation with all of you.
Okay, wow.
Great.
And I'm so
Thank
So
you.
happy
I
to.
would like to extend congratulations to
Uh,
Pooja, right?
Thank you so
Wow.
much,
And
ma'am.
it's
Thank you.
yes,
and
yes.
it's such a lovely coincidence that we all are YouTubers here, right? So it's going
Hmm.
to be a YouTubers session all in all. So I'm also a YouTuber.
Okay.
As you already know, I'm Sunita. I am a homemaker and an English language tutor, I would say, and a content creator. So that's in brief about me.
Okay. Lalita?
Yeah, same. Obviously, means as you already given your introduction, so same. I am Lalita, and now I am connecting to you from Noida, and I am a YouTuber also now, and I started teaching also. So
Okay.
yeah, today is the first time actually when I saw you are going to conduct such kind of sessions. So I saw, okay, I thought let's join with all of you.
Okay. Fine.
So
So
that's
we have
yeah.
one more Sunita with us. So Sunita, do you know her?
Yes, yes,
Oh,
yes. She has joined recently only.
okay. So hi Sunita, would you mind turning your camera on if you are comfortable? Would you like to introduce yourself? Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
I think
Hello.
yes, yes. I guess
Hello,
they.
ma'am.
Hi Sunita, could you please introduce yourself briefly?
Ma'am, ma'am, I'm Sunita from Rajasthan and I'm a housewife.
Okay, okay.
So I don't know much about English and this is my first introduction face to face.
Okay,
I want to
Sunita.
learn, that's why.
Okay, you can listen
Yes.
to people here, and I would like to make it clear that this video is going to be telecasted on my channel. So I hope you're comfortable with it.
Yes, ma'am. I have seen most of video of you and Sunita, ma'am. But after I don't know what to say. I got a break due to my father-in-law accident. He has met with an accident. He injured, and that's why I stopped to listen videos.
Mhm.
So
But it's a
Okay.
great opportunity for you to
Huh.
listen to all the people right here, and you'll get a hang of discussing topics in group, right? So you can
Hmm.
quietly listen to every one of us, right?
Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. Hello,
Great,
ma'am.
great.
How are you? Kamaljeet, ma'am.
Hello everyone. How you people are doing? You see, Neha, I'm here.
Yes, yes, I can see you are traveling. Okay. So
Yeah.
I'm just going to start the topic, okay? As we are going to discuss manifestation versus hard work. So my first question is going to be very simple. What does manifestation truly mean to you? So you have to define what exactly do you understand when you hear this word, manifestation. So just want to go to Yashoda.
Okay. So, as far as I think, manifestation means a process in which we try to turn our dreams, our thoughts, and our desires into reality. And it doesn't happen just by having a thought in our mind. For this, we have to be prepared each and every day with the emotions, with the mentality, as well as with the hard work. We have to show up each and every single day, and that then only we can manifest our dream.
Well said. Well said. Yes, Pooja.
I believe I totally agree with Yashoda ma'am. Actually, I also believe in the power of manifestation. So when I want something to happen, something to become reality in my life, I manifest it. Not just in my dreams, but during my day when I'm, just thinking something, I try to think in a positive manner, and I also take action towards it because without hard work, manifestation can never become a reality. So if someone truly believes that, then their thoughts are also aligned in that manner, and the manifestation can actually become a reality, according to me.
Hmm.
So I'm a huge believer of manifestation.
Wow. Nice. Nice. And what are your views on this, Karishma?
Yeah, in my opinion, manifestation means bringing something into reality through focused thoughts, beliefs, emotions, and action. I think action is the most prominent part of this whole manifestation
Hmm.
because there is a very common misunderstanding. People thought if we keep repeating something, it will happen. So it won't happen until you do some positive action. So
Hmm.
simply, in simple terms, you think about something deeply, believe it that it can happen, feel like it's already happening, and act accordingly. And then over the time, you feel like, okay, you get it what you have imagined. So this
Wow.
is in my terms, yeah.
Very well said. Completely agree. Yes, Sunita. What would you like to add here?
Right. So I have a very weird notion about it, but I just want to be honest about my thoughts. So for me, manifestation is just a hype word, I would say,
Hmm.
and a common sense because, it's nothing new in this world, but these days it's on trending,
Yes.
right? But it was always there. I mean, from ancient time as well, it was always there. Whenever people have worked towards their goal and have visualized that, yes, this is something that is possible and we can achieve it, when they have believed in themselves, right? And then work towards it. So they always got it, they always achieved it, right? But when you simply daydream, then you're definitely not going to achieve it, and that's a common sense, right?
Right.
So that's my point of view about it.
Right,
Okay.
right.
Wow. I think you spoke my mind, I would say. Okay. Yes, Lalita.
Yeah, same. Means I also want to go with Sunita ma'am because what happened in ancient time or still I remember in earlier time we used to do puja in front of our temple and we feel like that whatever is happening, okay, means everything will be good. Every time whenever
Indicate
we
karo.
sit in front of the God, even when we start our day, so our parents used to do that. Means they touch their feet of the ground and they feel okay whole day with go good. It was very means I have seen in my home every day is to they used to do like that so that we can feel okay whatever we are doing in the whole day. Obviously without action nothing can happen. Suppose if I'm sitting here and I'm thinking okay I want to prepare tea, so how will I get tea after half an hour? So
Hmm.
obviously for that I have to go in the kitchen, I have to prepare tea, then I can take it. So but nowadays what I feel, even recently I purchased a book and I read it. So in that book also it was mentioned, means without action it cannot be possible. Whatever we are thinking in the whole day, we are in the daydreaming, we are in the reverie, state of reverie. And nowadays it's becoming trendy too because of the, I think, social media.
Social media.
Right.
Right.
Because every time we are promoting such kind of books, such kind of things, so that's why it's becoming trendy. But otherwise, what is the meaning of the trendy?
Okay, nice. Yes, Ankita.
So,
Hi,
but
Ankita.
yeah,
Okay.
Hello. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon. Good evening.
Good evening.
She is also daydreaming.
Yes, Ankita. So, but how would you define manifestation?
Okay, manifestation. If I talk about manifestation, it is basically to bring our thoughts, our emotions, and our dreams actually into reality. That is the term. Basically, we have these days proper definition for that. But what I feel that we are manifesting since ages. But we don't have the proper term. We haven't used this proper term for that. We haven't been so much used to of this term early, so that's why we don't know. But I think we people, especially Indians, used to do it since long. And we since childhood we have learned this thing only. Okay, we need to pray in front of the God, and we always ask, okay, please God, do this for me, do that for me, then we will offer something to you, then we will do something for you, kind of thing. So these are all the manifestation. Yes, we also do all those. I mean, action also work for that, because manifestation basically, it actually set a stage for us to do something. Then we work for that, and efforts obviously, when our thoughts, our dreams, and action, everything align in a same direction, and universe respond for that time actually manifestation occurs. So that what I believe, that is manifestation for me.
True
And
that, true that, true that. I
yes,
hope, Lalita, I didn't interrupt you. I'm so sorry because I think you were
no,
about
it's
to say,
okay.
huh?
My means, yeah, I had completed. Yeah,
Okay.
obviously.
Fine, fine. So yes, manifestation, I guess without action, it's just daydreaming. That's what I believe, right? But I would like to hear Kanwaljit ma'am. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, no, I couldn't hear, but I could guess it that it was something about me. Actually, I've seen all the big shots here. Good evening to everyone. And it's raining heavily my side, and my husband is driving the car.
Oh,
But it has become really very difficult to drive, so we have taken a U-turn. So we are back home. It's that kind of environment over here. So this is the reason I couldn't focus, or it's difficult for me to focus on my conversation as well.
it's
But
so.
I was to be here, so I am here. Yes, I would definitely like to say something about manifestation as well. For me, manifestation is your desire, which you start dreaming. Like you have some lust for something, you want something in your life, and that desire becomes so intense that you start believing in that. But of course, this is just a tip of the iceberg. There are so many things which are related to, but what next? If you have to bring your manifestation into reality, then definitely you have to put in hard work so that it actually happens. So that tip of the iceberg, if you focus on that, that is actually manifestation.
Right, very well explained. So yes, I can see Sangeeta Pushpaji here. Pushpaji, would you like to add your version of manifestation?
Hello?
Yes.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, Pushpaji, you are audible. Would you like to define manifestation? I think
I'm not able to hear.
okay, no worries, no worries. So I have to shuffle to
Hello?
my second question. Okay. Okay, ladies, please now you have to be a little patient and just try to listen to. You will get a lot of good vocabulary words, and I guess you will get to know more about manifestation. Okay. So the next question is, have you ever manifested something and seen it come true? Okay. So I'm directly going to Sunita.
Okay, I was actually processing my thoughts, but I would like to talk about it later because, I
Okay.
rarely
So
manifest, I would say, in
okay,
a
no
very
worries, no
structured
worries.
manner.
As Pooja mentioned that she truly believes in manifestation, so she must have manifested something and she must have got that. So yes, Pooja.
Yes, I have the answer. So I'm going to take the example of this session because like since last few days I was thinking like, I need to practice with some advanced level speakers. But I didn't have the opportunity. Then I got connected to Neha ma'am and she asked me if I want to participate in the group discussion. It's kind of manifestation. I was truly thinking about it. I was even practicing in my head. Like if, I'm in a group setting, so how will I converse with everyone? How will I express my points? So from the last few days, I was thinking to look for some opportunity. And seriously, today I got the opportunity. I was so happy. I was seriously very joyful. So I think
Hmm.
it worked because I was also preparing myself.
Yes.
Without hard work, it never could have been a reality. So
Right,
for
right.
me, it really works.
That was the point I wanted to highlight here, that you just didn't think. You start working for that. You start visualizing and you start practicing. That's what matters actually. So yes, Karishma.
Yeah, hi. So my point of view is that yes, so if you talk about me, 2 years ago, I did not even know what manifestation is, honestly speaking. I only came to know about social media since I started creating videos, talking to other people. That time I got to know there is some word called manifestation. But I always believe in hard work, but hard work if you're putting into right direction. So that right direction comes from manifestation. When you desire, when you dream something passionately, truly, and when you start putting your work in the same direction, then you will get the result. So that is manifestation. If you talk about me, that is English. I always used to think that one day I'll be a better speaker. I will speak well. I'll gain subscribers. I'll be a YouTuber. Those are the manifestations, but I truly work really hard on those things, and then only I'm achieving that. So solely manifestation won't work. It
Yes.
has to combine with the action, and I think deep actions. It's not just like you're doing for the sake of fulfilling your manifestation. You have to really work hard on those things and then you will get it. So I learned English and YouTube. These two were my manifestations. Yeah.
Wow, nice. And I think Yashoda is a true paradigm I mean, if we talk about manifestation, does it work or not? So, Yashoda, you have to tell your story.
Yes, ma'am. You are absolutely right. Manifestation has helped me a lot because the time when I got my phone, since that time I have been coming across this word manifestation. And earlier I just used to watch videos only in Hindi language. So from there I got to know about the process. Then I wrote everything what I wanted within 2 years. And to be honest, I just worked. First of all, I learned about YouTube. Then simultaneously in accidentally I stumbled upon this English language. Then I started learning this English language. I worked on this language, and then I can say uh, only within 2 years I have manifested so many things. Not only I became a YouTuber. I can't say I'm a proficient English speaker, but I would say I'm a famous one. Ladies, they know me, and since childhood it was my dream. I wanted to manifest it, and then now at least I can talk to the ladies using a language which is not my language. So of course it's kind of a thing for which we I have to proud on myself. So I have manifested this. This is the second, and then the house in which I'm having this session, I have also manifested it, and even everything I have manifested, and even I also wanted to manifest like having group sessions. So I think today it's all fulfilling. So it
Okay.
happened just because of hard work and patience.
Yes.
And yeah, I know that the time period which I have been going through, it's not so easy. I
Hmm.
have to grapple with each and everything, but just because of having a sagacious mind and with persistent and having that especially a goal in our mind that the goal is here, no matter what comes on the way, we have to just keep going it, and then everything happens, and it happened, and still there are so many things that I just want to manifest in my life.
Wonderful, wonderful. Yes, Ankita.
Okay, if we talk about the manifestation, like when did I experience it? Yes, I have experienced it unconsciously many times. But yes, this time recently I experienced a powerful manifestation moment because recently what happened, my daughter was watching on a YouTube video of the famous dietitian in Signapur of Nasik. So just casually, I wished out loud. Okay, we we were wishing that. I was wishing for that ki if I wish we could go there. So that was just I wished out loud. So that happened just in a moment. I didn't realize it. Okay, and I mean we were there in no time, and everything happened so frequently, and I just said it, and I just told my husband, okay, I was thinking to go there because Gurbani was watching this video that place. That Shani deity is looking so powerful. I mean, we should take their blessings. So he said, okay, we can go. I said, okay, then we can plan for it. So it happened so suddenly, and everything aligned very quickly, and we were there in no time. And I mean, I never had darshan in such a kind of powerful way. I mean, we always have little distance from the God and all these kind of thing, but this time everything happened so smoothly and so calmly. I never imagined for that. But yes, our effort was that we planned for it. My husband said, okay, we can go, and everything happened so fast. Said now I believe that manifestation is something which acts so powerfully. But yes, effort is the thing that we need to do, and the thought, effort, actions, and then actually God conspired to make it happen, and universe conspired to make it happen. That's what I feel.
Yes, exactly. Okay. Yes, Sunita, now you are ready with your answer, I believe.
Right, right. I have a lot to talk about it now. Right. So YouTube is a major part of my life now. So I would say I manifest being, shiny on YouTube every day. I would say whenever I post my any video on YouTube, I expect a lot of views on that, and that I definitely manifest. In that direction, I try to keep a nice thumbnail. I try to work on SEO as well and everything related to it so that I could get good views. I can't simply wish for it without doing nothing, right? But on the other hand, I would like to say it doesn't always work. Like if you manifest, it doesn't mean that it will work for you, right? Sometimes it doesn't work. So I have an example, and it's a very fresh example, I would say. My husband, he's very passionate about being in politics, but yesterday only the result came out and he was the runner-up. So he lost it, right? But he's so passionate about it. We also manifested him, in that position, and I'm
Mm-hmm.
sure he must have also manifested himself there. But still, if he's as passionate now as well, so he'll keep on working towards it. He needs to be very patient about it. So that's why I'm saying that's why I'm saying that it doesn't always work. You have to be very persistent and patient about it. Someday you'll definitely achieve it.
True, true. Yes. I think Lalita, right? Lalita is left. Yes, Lalita.
Yeah, actually, for me also, manifestation is the thing, means through this manifestation term, and before that, it was a prayer. So it keeps us always motivated. It gives us direction so that we can work upon it. Sometimes it works or sometimes not, but still, we have a hope. Okay, one day I will achieve this or I will achieve that. But
Hmm.
sometimes we get it or sometimes not.
Yes.
But still, we are hoping for that. I think this is the best thing.
Yes,
Right.
actually.
Ray of hope.
Hmm.
What is a prayer? It is just kind of prayer, ray of hope.
Okay.
We pray to God because we know
Hmm.
that in our heart somewhere, okay, everything will be happen good.
Hmm.
What for the other day? Suppose this plan is not working, maybe another plan will work. So it keeps us continuing
Right, right, right.
to choose another part to try our hands in different things.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So I think we have three more participants with us, Pinky, Sangeeta. I just want to know your opinions that have you ever manifested anything and were you able to get that thing? So try to be very concise. I'm so sorry, I have to say that because we have only 10 minutes left. Okay, so Pinky, yes, your mic is muted. Okay, meanwhile, I'm going to Sangeeta. Yes, Sangeeta.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, all of you, and both, ma'am. And actually, to me, manifestations means some thinking something about. If we are thinking something, so we have to work upon that. It's not like a dream. It's like a means we are passionate to do something, and we have to do work upon that. Because until we don't work upon that, so we can't see that it will be go as a dream. So like I was I has a manifested like I wanted to drive and writing, but earlier I don't know how to do. But when I have a manifested, so I learn how to do, and now I can learn everywhere. And then I want to then I have a manifested about the English. Then I want to do speak English, and now I started and I'm doing. And this group I have a manifest that I want to attend this group, but I was not able to attend. But somehow I attend because I like this group, and because which is created by the Neha Suita ma'am. So that's why I want to be a part of this group. So that's all, ma'am.
Okay.
Sorry.
So I think Pinky is unable to turn her mic on. So Pinky, better luck next time. For me, if I have to say something on manifestation, so I truly have nothing to say. I never manifested to become a YouTuber, to be very honest. Right? It was never there in my mind that I would be a YouTuber. But yes, I always wanted to be a confident speaker. That's what I am. I worked hard for it. I try to be positive enough. That's what I do. I am a diligent person. I work hard a lot, and I would say that I manifestation truly doesn't exist for me. Truly, I never manifested anything because what I believe in stars now. Hard work definitely pays off. But if you are jammy enough, I think you get things a little early, right? So, but yes, I believe in walking the talk. My life taught me this. I don't expect anything uh, until I work hard for that very thing, right? And rest I leave on my destiny on God. So that's how I work. I don't. I try to go for affirmations, but I can't. I think our because see, if I have to sit here and if I have to tell myself something that okay, I will get a luxurious car maybe next year, next month, but somehow my subconscious mind knows that how would you get it until you go step out or you do something, right? So I think yes, we have to be very practical while affirmating or while manifesting certain things, right? Just give me a moment. Yes. Okay. So I think I am more practical. I don't know how and why, but yes, I truly believe in God, that supreme power, and I believe in positivity. If you are positive, because what we do, we are manifesting, right? But our subconscious mind is so negative in most of our cases, right? Due to over concern, there are so many things, and the thing is we are running short of time, so I don't want to make it complex. So let's leave it now. Before I wrap this session up, I want a strong piece of advice from each of you in terms of manifesting this language, because there are lakhs of people who want to be confident speaker, who want to be fluent speaker, but they are not able to. Somehow they are manifesting, they have been manifesting for a long time, they have been practicing. So what would be your one piece of advice to those people, how to manifest in a correct direction? Pooja.
Okay. So the only piece of advice I have is that consistency is the key. Okay. You might, try other things, but if you are consistent enough, if you are practicing every single day, then eventually, one will definitely learn this language. There's no other thing that will work, but only consistency matters and practice hard as much as possible.
Great. Sunita.
This is the only
I would say sometimes we lose out on confidence, or sometimes we get demotivated, we get lethargic, and that's because we don't have clarity of our goal. So, first be clear about your thoughts, be clear about your goals, and then work towards it and reflect back and try to improve as well. So, clarity, I would say.
Great. Karishma.
I think we should follow the optimistic approach, because even though the goal is clear, sometimes we are very negative about that. So that should not happen. The positivity is really important. That creates a positive hope for the future. If I'm positive, I'll be hopeful that okay, one day I'll do this. And these affirmations go directly into my subconscious mind, which help me to believe, okay, this is what I can do this. And then only I start doing act on them. So that's very important, to be positive, optimistic approach you have to follow. Yeah.
Yes. Yashoda.
I would say most of the learners, they always lag behind. They are lagging behind just because of they always have excuses. And because of making excuses, they always find that I have this problem, that problem, that
Hmm.
problem. So instead of making excuses, try to be consistent with your practice. Even if it's possible only for 5 minutes, it's okay for you. But we have to be consistent, because if you are a kind of a diligent person, so definitely you would find time for your learning if you're really passionate about your
Hmm.
learning. So yeah, of course, stop making excuses and take your goals seriously. Then everything will be possible for you.
True that. Simply letting go of their self-doubt, I would say, right? And procrastination. Two things. Okay. Yes, Lalita.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, consistency matters a lot, because consistency doesn't mean sometimes we go up and then we come down. But that time when we come down, so that time we feel okay. At that time we feel demotivated. Now I'm not learning anything. But sometime and after some time we again go up. So
Yes.
that is a consistency. But sometimes we feel like that, okay, consistency, that means we have to go from here and there.
Nice.
We cannot go straight.
Hmm.
It down comes.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. True. Not every day comes
If
with
we
the
work
same
on that,
vibe. Yes.
right.
Great.
So
Yes,
we have to
Ankita.
be motivated.
I'm
Keep
sorry.
motivated.
मैं ललिता को बार-बार I am interrupting you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
if I have to talk,
Ankita,
Sangeeta or
Ankita,
Ankita,
then
ma'am?
Sangeeta. Ankita, then Sangeeta.
Okay. Okay. My piece of advice is that first thing is perseverance, clear set goals, clear direction, and practice, and speak up whenever you get opportunity. And the last and the most important one is the association that you people has created for us here. So this association is something very, very important. That's what I feel.
Great,
That's
great.
it.
Perseverance is the silent architect of extraordinary achievement. That's what I believe. Yes, Sangeeta.
Yes, ma'am. As Ankita spoke that, yeah, first of all, we have to find our clarity. What is our clarity? If we find our positive clarity, so we will have to work upon that. And we are working, so yeah, it has come to consistency, because up and downs always with all persons. But we have to manage with these things. If we manage these things, so yeah, definitely we can achieve our manifest, and we can follow, and we can means stand, and we have to stick our consistency after getting clarity. What is our motive and what is our manifestation?
Okay. Before we get disconnected, because it was set for 40 minutes, okay, I want to thank you, all of you, that you accepted my invitation, and you just enlighten not only me, but you are going to enlighten my viewers also with your beautiful thoughts. So thank you so much. And now I want to go to Pinky. Pinky, you can tell us anything about manifestation. Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Actually, I was trying to unmute, but I was unable that time. Yeah, at the last, I would say, without hard work, the manifestation is meaningless, and you have to be think positive and believe in yourself that you can achieve your goal one day. That's it. I totally.
Okay, fine. So thank you so much, beautiful ladies, to be here and making my day so special and beautiful. And I'll also try to manifest from today onwards. Okay, so that's it. Work hard and believe in yourself. That's what I think. This is manifestation for me. I believe in myself, and that's what works for me. With this. Faith in you and supreme power, we can achieve anything. So that's it. Keep smiling, rise and shine always. Pushpa ji, I'll see you in the next group discussion. I have to wrap this session. Okay, then bye bye. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. No
Bye,
worry. No
bye,
worry. No
ma'am.
worry. I
Bye, ma'am.
heard
Thank you.
lot
Meet
of,
you.
yeah.
Yeah. Have a
Bye-bye.
stress buckling time, all of you.